The flooring you are about to install are designed and manufactured by Waytex Group's Textile Business Division. With more than 40 years woven vinyl material experience, Waytex has become an industry leader in the woven vinyl fabrics, used in end products such as flooring, outdoor furniture, and window shades. Wayflor's production facility is vertically integrated and maintains the highest level of standards in all stages of production: material compounding, yarn coating, warping, weaving, thermal setting, and final coating of woven vinyl flooring products. Final product can be purchased in rolls, tiles, or individual shapes and are ideal for commercial areas, offices, restaurants, showrooms, and gyms. Wayflor products are durable and feature anti-slip. The flooring is water-resistant, antifungal bacterial, anti-dust mite, and fire retardant. The wide range of designs make Wayflor products a perfect choice for residential customers as well. Now we will introduce how to install Wayflor woven vinyl flooring products roll. Let us start to install. Choose your flooring option from one of Waytex's more than 40 designs. In order to install the flooring successfully, floor must be completely level. For ceramic or cement subfloors, use a self-leveling cement. If the subfloor is level but not flat, use a quick-drying cement. Be sure to apply primer to the subfloor for best results. Here we are going to introduce how to install our product into concrete subfloors, applying primer all over the subfloor with roller. Mix self-leveling cement according to manufacturer's instructions and apply to the subfloor. Using the roller to erase air pockets and bubbles. Allow 24 hours to dry. Sand floor using a commercial sander. Floor should be level and even. Vacuum the sanding dust, drawing the installation line. Roll the product open and allow it to relax prior to installation. Cutting each piece to required length of floor, making sure all arrows on the back side of the flooring face the same direction. Overlap each piece products by 3 to 4 centimeters and cut at the seam for a smooth surface. For designs with repeats, for instance the herringbone design shown here, measure the right repeat, then cut a long repeat. Use the straight knife to cut through the overlapping thickness one time. Here we use a guiding cutter for best outcome. Remove the top and bottom waste. After cutting, ensure subfloor is clean. Lift the half of the flooring product and apply glue with right number of trowel. For indoor use, an acrylic-based glue can be used, and if for heavy traffic, outdoor or waterproof flooring, we recommend a polyurethane PU glue. Today, we are using Henkel acrylic glue K188. Awaiting for right curing time, roll it back of uplift floor. Trim the edge. Here we are using the edge trimmer to remove excess flooring. To eliminate air pockets, use the heavy roller to press firmly on the entire surface of the floor. After installing the first repeat, use the same method to complete the balance of the floor surface. Use cold welding to join seams. First, cover the seam with masking tape. And then use a straight knife to cut through the tape to the seam. Here we use Werner Mueller Type A cold welding to seam the joint. After the cold welding dries, remove the masking tape. The installation is now complete. If further processes are needed, don't forget to have the proper protection of your new floor. Thank you.